So today's adventure, we're going to land between the lakes. And there's tons of stuff to do here. I think we're gonna probably take 2 days to get through most of the stuff. But right now, we see some bison mamas and some babies. And they're so super cute. Look at them swishing their little tails.
They look like they're 6 miles away on the action cam.
Like, do you see the babies, girls? There is no cell service. And then once you're on, like, we're coming from the south, so we're driving up north. There's nothing on the road. There's no gas stations, there's no food. So make sure to bring food and have a full tank of gas, which we pretty much do. We're at the Planetarium Visitor Center. They have all sorts of like shows, and we're walking through the museum, and they have a really old video that's from like, it looks like the 1970s. We are starting with the Elk and Bison Prairie. Now, we were told by the people in the visitor center the best time to see the elk and bison are 2 hours after sunrise and 2 hours before sunset.
It was like Jurassic Park. Ooh. The gates are opening. We've entered Jurassic Park. We saw our first velociraptors coming out of the bushes.
Oh my.
They were pretty terrifying. They were running on 2 legs, they had a red head, and they were chirping. There's bald eagles in the trees, so we're getting some footage of those bald eagles. It looks like there's a pair. There's like a mom and dad bald eagle. They're just hanging around above the pond. So everybody's enjoying their cameras. Ava and Elizabeth are taking photos, and Michelle's trying to get some good video footage. But that's really the main thing we've seen so far, other than turkeys. A lot of birds here.
So it looks like it's like one big loop. You go in and then you drive out.
I'm waiting for a Tyrannosaurus Rex to come out of the bushes and take an elk.
Well, I have internet access. The whole drive here, I have not had any internet access, but I have it right now. We've seen turkeys. We've seen a bright yellow bird and a monarch butterfly. No animals yet. There are not like a ton of like wildflowers, but there are these yellow flowers that are so beautiful right now. And there's tons of like butterflies flittering around. We're now going to the home place, which is an 1850s style home. And they're gonna have like animals. It looks like, walking up to the building is really cool though, because it looks like a mound of dirt, and they've just built the building into this mound of dirt. So we're gonna go there, and this is part of Land Between the Lakes as well. So it cost our family some money to come into this part, and they gave us a little map of all the things to do, all the animals to see. So Ava has the love of history like mommy. I love places like these. They have the nicest workers that like, they just brought us the horses so we could say hello. And then they have little signs here, like look, that give you information. I'm gonna show you the decorative chicken. Look at this. But it's not fake, it's real. See, look, it's Lincoln inside. It's so cozy there. It's just like, oh, I'm just gonna hang out. And then let me see your papers. There's Elizabeth. And then he was kind enough to give us this duck feather that we can bring home and use. And then Ava, let me see your decorative.
It kind of droops.
There's just chickens hanging out. And ducks. Oh, is it talking to you, Elizabeth? It literally looked up you like it has something to say. What would you like to tell us? Yeah? Oh, it's probably like, aren't you guys giving me food?
He eats leaves.
Hi there.
So cute.
Alright. We see our first bison. We came back.
Pulled up and he's right there. Oh my gosh. He's huge. He's just hanging out on the side of the road with flies in on his eyeballs and stuff.
Well, I feel good now. I wanted to see one animal, just one. That wasn't a turkey or a bird or anything. That was really fun.
There's an elk. You talk to.
There's an elk. Oh my gosh. I was just saying, that would make it perfect. Look at that elk. Look at his antlers. I mean, that is a giant male elk. Well, we saw the bison elk prairie. We saw the bison and the elk. We stayed there for a good while and just enjoyed. I like that he wasn't laying down in the beginning. He was kind of walking around and munching on leaves and licking his lips. I love when they lick their lips. I don't know why, but it's just so cute. And then eventually like found a nice spot. He laid down. He's just watching the people go by. He's probably like, what in the world are these people doing? We're here. I think we got here at what? 5-ish? 5:15 maybe? We're just about to exit, right?
We're going up towards the thing where you turn.
Yeah, this is the turnaround spot. Okay, so I was close. It'll probably be about 3 miles. And then this is where you can loop around if you decide that you want to go again. And you can loop around as many times as you want, from open till closed. But once you leave, you have to pay to come back in. And it's $5. We're going around a second time. And Tom's like, I think I see an elk. And out in the field, it's a little further away, we see an elk with like the antlers and stuff. You can see the antlers coming through the tall weeds. We saw a female elk and she was just grazing. She got startled at one point. And then we just saw that bison that was laying down, stood up and was walking down the road. And I'm like, I don't even know what to do. Like, should I back up? Should I just sit here? So I decided I'm just gonna stay here nice and quiet, put it in park, let him do what he wants. He didn't even care that we were there. And then he just walked off into the grass near the elk. But I think the bison are top dogs here because that female elk was like, I'm not messing with you. And she ran off into the woods. That was amazing. So there was an elk and a bison together. That was really cool. Come early or late, guys. And late is not worse. Because we're here late and there's tons of animals. Oh my gosh, he's huge. Wow, he looks so majestic right now.
So I was saying they're all over there, that's what I was telling you.
That sounded really close.
Yeah, they're in the bushes, that's what I'm saying, so I want to go up to the herd.
Oh, right there. He doesn't look like he's interested in us at all. It's day 3 and we're again at Land Between the Lakes. And we just got a thumbs up from someone leaving, so
big smiley face.
Yeah, they had a big smile and they gave us a thumbs up. So we're like, yes. We got here a little earlier tonight because we weren't checking in and stuff. It's 4:45 pretty much when we entered. Well, we see 2 bison up ahead.
Oh, there's a ton of them.
Oh, that's a baby. Oh my goodness, it's a horde of bison. There's a mama nursing. Oh my goodness, there's a traffic jam because of all the bison. You might have got that on camera. That was pretty loud. That baby is adorable. There's little itty babies over there. Oh my goodness, we're not gonna be moving anytime soon. Like this one.
Gosh, look at this baby. It's a really tiny baby. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh.
We're literally stuck in the car because there's like 30 bison on the road, plus they're all in the woods. Oh, there's a big daddy over there.
All right, That was the experience I wanted. Oh my gosh. I have a zoom lens. I didn't even need a zoom lens. I have a super wide angle lens. That's all I needed. Oh my gosh.
Okay, are those just the cutest little babies you have ever seen? Oh, look at that one. Oh, he's like in the dirt. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, look how cute. Oh, he's yawning. Oh, that is adorable. They are so close to our car, you can literally hear them eating. Let's see if you can.
This is the big guy. He's just hanging on the trees. He's a beast. He's probably the leader of the pack right here.
What we thought would be a quick drive through the prairie turned into 3 unforgettable trips. We spent over 2 hours exploring, watching these truly majestic animals. Each time was different. Elk grazing or chasing one another, and massive herds of bison roaming and grunting across the fields. On our final drive, the bison blocked the road once again, creating the most entertaining and least frustrating traffic jam we've ever been in. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Oh, there's a baby coming like right here. I know this is National Geographic, but look how cute. This is like crazy.
Oh, this is a young baby. Older baby. Baby? Older baby. Big boy. Just so you guys know, I'm a big bison fan. Oh, look how cute this baby is.
Oh, look at the baby.
Oh, that one just jumped onto the mama. Oh, look at the baby go. Look at the go. Oh, now you're one here. Should I like zoom in? Too? Are you running like a big race or something? That's only one person. Oh yeah, look how cute you are. Look, just
Hopping. Oh, Tom, you didn't get it.
Don't worry. I'm filming it on my camera. Like, I'm taking a video of it.
If you liked our video, be sure to check out more of Legs Outdoors, where we have a ton of unique travel and wild adventures just like this. With a passion to explore, we find fun family excursions from traveling through Alaska to paddling down a river. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos.